Thank you for installing application. Please listen to introduction. Application presents detailed battery parameters and notifies with sound or voice about changes in battery charge level, battery health, connected charger.
Here you can modify sound settings, turn off the sound, or change various voice parameters such as type, speed or pitch. I can speak fast, or I can speak slow. You can download voices to limit your network connection usage.
You can customize the sounds and content of voice messages. For example, the application might say,
"Dear Peter, your phone Redmi is fully charged. You can disconnect the charger."
Here you can switch to full screen view. And here you can change appearance of the application to clean battery, battery with face animation, or battery with detailed parameters such as charge level, temperature, voltage, charging current on some phones, and their minimum, average and maximum values. Use this button to prevent the screen from turning off. And here you can set additional application parameters such as periodic notifications on time, or after pressing the unlock button. Here you have access to system battery parameters. And here you can check tips how to save energy and keep your battery in good health. Don't forget about the positive rating. Here you phone not connected, charge level 70%, discharging, battery health good.